Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another video. We are going to solve digital literacy quiz number 4. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, you can always subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest updates on the latest batch. So let's start the quiz. Question number 1 is in PowerPoint, copy and paste options are available in dash tab, home, insert, design and transition. So home tab, you will find copy and paste options in even Word and Excel. So we'll move to next question. Question number 2, a website includes sounds, images, text, or all of these. So we can choose all of these because website can have all these things. So question 3, which of the following view is first open in PowerPoint? Normal view, slide sorter view, table view, or default view? So I think normal view is always first open in PowerPoint. So let's move to question 4. Which of the following option is correct regarding applying theme in PowerPoint? Apply on all slides, apply on selected slide, apply, set as default theme, all of these. So this all of these we can select because we can apply on all slides, or we can set as default theme. Okay, so we'll select this. Next question is the arrangement of elements, title and subtitle, text, etc. on a slide is called arrangement of elements, is called layout, presentation, design, or scheme. So arrangement of elements is called presentation. We'll select this option. Let's move to another question. Which of the following shortcut key can be used to close web browser? Alt F4, Control F4, Alt Control, or Alt F1. So Alt F4 can be used to close this browser. If you are if you are watching from a PC, you can press Alt F4 and see if the windows will close or not. Let's move another question. Box in which text, pictures, and objects are placed is called placeholder, auto text, text box, or word art. So box in which, okay. Question number 8 is which of the following software is used to prepare presentation? PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, spreadsheet, or PowerPoint? Question number 9 is in MS PowerPoint, clip art option is available in dash menu, home, insert, design, and view. So insert tab. Let's move to last question. In PowerPoint, the shortcut key of spell check is F7, F5, F4, or F123. So F7 is the shortcut key in to check spell check. So F7 is the shortcut key for checking the spelling. So this is the last question. So hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.